Welcome to the Human Journey channel, where we'll be looking into the ancient history of mankind. We will also be covering subjects on myths, conspiracy theories, unexplained stories that have captivated the human mind for millennia. Please like, subscribe and share. For thousands of years, human beings have been fascinated with the universe. When we look at history, we look at places like Stonehenge and the Egyptian pyramids, they seem to align to the stars and they seem to have something to do with our universe. So people have been fascinated for many thousands of years by the stars. So in today's video, what we're going to do, we're going to look at 10 facts about our universe that might even blow your mind. Fact 1. Atoms are the building blocks to life and all matter in our universe. Atoms are comprised of a tiny nucleus surrounded by 99.9% empty space, containing electrons which rotate around the nucleus, causing a magnetic field. Amazingly though, because atoms are 99.9% empty space, if you removed all that empty space from the human atoms, we would be the size of a speck of dust. And even more incredible, the whole human race would fit in a box the size of a sugar cube. Fact 2. When our universe began, it was extremely hot. Today we think of space as a freezing cold environment, but that wasn't always the case. 13.7 billion years ago, the universe came into existence by a big bang in just a few seconds. However, the temperature was a staggering 10 billion Kelvin in the first few minutes after the Big Bang. Put in perspective, 10 billion Kelvin would be about 700 times the temperature of the Sun's core, so extremely hot. Today the temperature of the universe is about 2.7 Kelvin or minus 270 degrees Celsius, which is extremely cold. Fact 3. The universe spans a diameter of approximately 150 billion light years. Current estimates as with regards to the size of the universe puts it at a width of about 150 billion light years. Of course, no one really knows, as the universe could be infinite. To put in perspective, our galaxy, the Milky Way, is between 100 and 180,000 light years across. That's travelling at 186,000 miles per second, 24 hours a day, for 180,000 years, just to cross our galaxy. And according to a study in 2013, there are approximately 225 billion galaxies in the observable universe, and that's galaxies which are full of billions of stars and solar systems, many like our own. The true size of our universe can be brain-numbing but awesome. Fact number 4. The universe is getting bigger. In 1998, the Hubble telescope studied a very distant supernova and found that a long time ago the universe was expanding more slowly than it is today. This puzzling discovery suggests that a force called dark energy is driving and accelerating the expansion of our universe. While dark energy is thought to be a strange force that is pulling the cosmos apart at ever-increasing speeds, it remains one of the greatest mysteries in science because its detection remains elusive to scientists. Dark energy and dark matter have not been detected, but astronomers base their existence on the gravitational influence that they can see on normal matter, or the parts of the universe that can be observed. In other words, even though dark matter cannot be seen, the gravitational effect of this matter on stars and planets can be observed. Fact 5. We can still see echoes of the universe's beginning. When we see static on our televisions, we are actually seeing microwave background noise of the universe's creation. This is caused by photons which are still hot from the Big Bang explosion. These photons could never fully interact with atoms in the universe and are still cooling down now, 13.7 billion years after the Big Bang. And this residual heat is still present in the world today. And because television can pick up stray electromagnetic waves, a TV set can show the residual radiation of the universe. Fact 6. There are a possible 500 million planets in our galaxy that could hold life. Scientists call planets that are located within a star's habitable zone as Goldilocks planets. These planets are most likely to have the exact conditions necessary to support life, meaning the temperature is acceptable as well as water existing in both liquid and gas forms. And of course there must be the right combination of chemicals present to build life. It is estimated that there are some 500 million or more of these Goldilocks planets right here in our own Milky Way galaxy. Just think about that for a moment. There could be millions and millions of planets full of life, like our own or different from our own, all in our own galaxy. Fact number 7. It takes 30,000 years for light from the sun's core to reach our planet. Our sun is estimated to be about 4.6 billion years old and should keep shining for another 5 billion more years. The rays of the sun take about 8 minutes to make the journey across the 93 million miles between the surface of the sun and that of the Earth. Those rays, however, began their life over 30,000 years ago at the core of the sun through an intensive nuclear fusion process in which the sun consumes helium and hydrogen. So the sunlight that we receive today actually began its life when this nuclear fusion took place 30,000 years ago. Fact number 8. We are all made up of stardust. All the elements found on the Earth originate from the stars. That means all the things that make up the Earth, including the life present, is comprised of stardust. Now, according to Carl Sagan, the nitrogen in our DNA, the calcium in our teeth, and the iron in our blood all are made from the interiors of collapsing stars. We are made of star stuff, so he says. Just think about that for a moment. Every time we look out into the night sky, we're actually seeing stars that are made up of the same elements as we are. In fact, if it wasn't for stars dying, we might not have come into existence in the first place. Fact number 9. When we look up at the night sky, we are actually looking back in time. The stars we see in the night sky are extremely distant from us. The starlight we see today has taken a long time to travel across space to reach our eyes. This means whenever we look out into the night sky, gaze up and see these stars, we are actually experiencing how they looked in the past. For example, the bright star Vega is relatively close to us at 25 light years away. So the light we see today is actually 25 years old. While the star Betelgeuse, which is in the constellation of Orion, is 640 light years away. So that light left the star around the year 1370, during the time of the 100-Year War between England and France. However, the star Deneb is the farthest star that can easily be seen with the naked eye. It is thought to be between 1,400 and 3,000 light years from Earth. If Deneb is 3,000 light years away, then the light we are seeing today from that star left about 500 years after the approximate completion of Stonehenge. Fact number 10. It takes our Sun 225 million years to travel around the galaxy. Now we know that our Earth and the other planets in our solar system orbit around our Sun. But the Sun itself is orbiting around the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way. So it actually takes the Sun 225 million years to perform a complete circuit of our galaxy. So let's put that into perspective. The last time our Sun was in its current position in the galaxy, early dinosaurs were just starting to make an appearance. So that was just 10 amazing facts about our universe, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So please subscribe, share and like. And again, thanks for watching.